I'm back with another video, and if you want to see what I'm doing today, stay tuned.
T-shirt-chick.
Alright, squad, I know y'all have all kind of been waiting. Maybe not all of y'all. Some of y'all been waiting and some of y'all been hating, but we about to I'm about to go ahead and unveil, even though some of the things are not quite ready just yet, but I'm tired of waiting myself. I'm kind of excited about reopening and, you know, the new shop, the new setup and everything. So I just wanted to let y'all check everything out so I can get to pumping out some videos showing me printing and different things like that. Alright, so the first thing I do want to do is just come around here and let y'all take a look at like my register area. And I got this some stuff on the counter. I'm gonna move this stuff off the counter. Put that up right there under there for me, son. Grab this shirt, stick it on the counter for me. Alright, so I'm gonna let you see like when you first come in, and like I know some of y'all was on me during that live stream about my blinds. So right now I just got this green material hanging up right here, but I got something in mind for this. I'll let y'all know once I do that part. Okay, so when we just came in, let me do the full thing. Okay, we just came in the store. All right, so when you first walk in, then you look to the right, boom, right here, this is what you see. And you see the register, you see my business card right there. I gotta get some new ones made. I do have the social media cards right there, as you guys see, but I gotta get them fixed because they in green and now the color's red. So right here I got the register right here. I might do a little something extra with that register. I don't know right now. Right here, this is like all my files and like, you know, some different little storage areas. Over here I got, y'all see the Big Daddy press right there. Right there, and then under there I got a little storage area. Okay, then I got right here, boom, security guard. Y'all come up in here trying to act crazy. Y'all don't want to do that. That ain't what y'all want right there. All right, then over here I got this. This is a little temporary table right here. This is a table that can be like folded down and stored away. I just kind of have it right there for right now, but that's, you know, it's probably not gonna be right there the whole time. Y'all already saw my little area over here. Y'all remember right here when I was telling y'all, let me flip this light on back here and get just a little bit better lighting. Y'all remember I was telling y'all this was the only part that was pretty much how it was gonna be. So I got my hat press and the parts that go to it, and this right here, this is just some butcher paper that I'll be using eventually. Y'all can see everything over there. And right here, y'all remember I had a sink in this area over here, but what I did is just made it, instead of going through a lot of money spending things, I just took the sink out and I just put the board right here so that I can use this for like a folding area or, you know, whatever. That's my little food area right there. You know, I can cook me some stuff in a little oven, microwave, refrigerator, you know, etc. Then I got the this little area, that's my printer. I got a little trash can right there. My duplicator, one of my duplicators right there. And this little area over here, right now it's not the way it's really going to be because I got my sewing stuff up here because I've been sewing on some things while I'm down here at the shop right now. But that's actually going to be my area where, right here y'all can see this is the little mug thingy I made. I'll leave the video up for y'all so y'all can check that out. This, you know, so that I can do mugs right there, and or tumblers. I'm saying mugs but tumblers. But this is my little tumbler station and possibly my little weeding area where I'll be weeding at. But right now y'all see I got some other stuff on here, all my sewing stuff. This is a little box I got for my sewing stuff. I'm gonna let y'all check that out too. It's just a little art bin box right here. So I got, you know, don't really have much going on with it now, but this is what I got so far. And toss that instruction booklet there because might have to read the instructions. And I got this Janome mat right here. It's like a little muffin mat to kind of, you know, cover some of the noise, block some of the noise off from my sewing machine. Y'all saw my sewing machine in another video. I'll post the video up right up above you know, it'll be on one of these sides where y'all can see the sewing machine if y'all interested. Then my register right here, I kind of got a little bit of junk back there. That's my little toolbox right there. I'm gonna let y'all see what I'm using for a toolbox right here. Right here, this is a box that Rybeat sent me when he sent me some stuff. So I'm just kind of using that for a toolbox. And I got like where I store like extra bags and my paper right there. You know, the paper that I use, you know, extra bags. That's right here. That's my swatch book. I got them all in the binder. I don't have all of them in there, but the ones that I mostly use, I have them in the binder. And this is just like a little storage area back here. I got like some magazines, stuff like that, you know, the catalogs. And these are some shirts. I'm gonna be doing something with those. And this right here, so y'all kind of see that. But that is this area back here, the register area behind the register where no one else is gonna be allowed. And then I do have this this up here on display. Let me see, I'm gonna have to get it to wear the show, but that's just on display. I'm probably gonna be switching those shirts out. And right here, as you see, the display is covering up my calendar right there. I probably will figure out another place to move it. And then up here, my documentation, it fell and broke. My paperwork, I gotta get that fixed so I can get it back up. But right there, you can see my calendar. Okay, so after you came in the door, and if you decide to look to the right instead of the left, right here, boom, you got the shirt area right here where I have like a lot of t-shirts stored. And this right here, I haven't figured out what I'm gonna do with this yet. It's just two things, two forms or whatever. And I'm probably gonna redo some of this wall decorations also. Right here, I got this little shelf right here. But it looks a little bad on top. I don't know if I'm gonna sand it down and like re-varnish it or whatever, but I know I am gonna probably put a runner on there and, you know, try to match it up a little bit. So that's what that's looking like. As you see, I had this bin right here, and this bin was only for 2. It only had the 2 rows, but now I've added a little bit to it, as you can see right over there. And I just bought some extra joints or whatever you call them, connectors, whatever you call them, and I just put the 2, you know, made it what I could out of it to have a little bit of extra storage, but it's not, it didn't fill the whole thing up to where it was even all the way across. Then I have this little small one that I bought from Amazon, and it was a good thing that this one came in this size, because if it would have been taller like this right here, it would have been about here on the AC, and I kind of like that it's not on the AC. So right there, there's another display. Boom. All right, so right here, as you see, this is what my display is looking like. And I went with the colors green, yellow, and red right there. And I moved my mannequin out of the window because, you know, he used to be looking out the window on guard for your girl at all times. But I moved him right over here to where he can greet the people when they first come in. And he got his mask on. You know, he's protected just in case, you know, anything try to come up in here. He protected. And right here, so you see that all of this goes together with my new color scheme, the red, yellow, and green color scheme. Then this right here, I'm gonna fill this out. I just kind of have it in a certain way right now. Right here, all the ones that's on top are gonna be like the ones that's on sale. You know, the ones that I'm just trying to get rid of, they're gonna be all on top like the way that they are right there. So this little stand right here, I actually have not really done anything with it. And if y'all remember, with my setup how it was before, I had the couch going across there, but now I don't have any seating for the customers when they come in. If they need a seat, I'll have to pull a seat out for them. But hopefully, you know, with everything going on, I'm not really trying to have people hanging around. That's why I was like, you know, I'm not going to put the seats up in here. But if it's like an elderly person or something, or someone who needs to sit down to be able to fill out the paperwork, I can pull up. I have a tall seat that I can pull up where they can sign and do whatever they need right up there. So that's this front area. Oh, I didn't even show over there my diploma from college. You know, the college I went to, Ole Miss, University of Mississippi. I lettered in basketball. That's some of that stuff that's over there. Then I also have right here some buttons. Y'all see because I do the buttons. I kind of just have that on display. And some of the other people that I know, I got Gina Gill, Just Say the Word right there, and some other businesses that, you know, that come through here and leave a card. So I just kind of have that over there. I kind of like this artwork right here, you know. It's actually a football jersey. All of those are supposed to be football jerseys. Kids did them when they were smaller, so that's what that is. But you know, I might do something with that. But back to what I was saying. My setup from before. If you remember, I could only go through on that side, but I went ahead and stretched the wall out to make it cover more. And now, because of the way that it's set up, I can go in on this side right here, and I got a little bit more space in the back. So right here, as you can see, I can go in on this side. So we just gonna come in on this side over here. And as you see, I have this shelf right here. Now this shelf is probably not gonna stay here, because I got some other plans for this area right here, but this is what it's looking like right now. So as you see right there, you can still see I have the vinyl wall over on that side. So I'm gonna go back to this side, and so going back into the back area right here, you can kind of see the setup is a little bit different right here. As you come in here, we got the press. The press is right here, and then you can see the other side over there that I was just showing you. I still got a little bit of junk back there. I'm gonna have to clean that up. You can see the vinyl wall area back there, and my cutter is over in that area. If you can see it, it's covered. I have it covered right now. All right, and then you can see my tripods over there. I don't really have a place for them right now. And you can see my conveyor dryer. Okay, with the conveyor dryer, I have been like storing some stuff beneath it, but I still have to get it, you know, get it vented. The electrician is going to come back because he got to do some other work that's not related to the equipment, and he's going to vent it for me, and you know, whatever other few things I need done. All right, then, so over there, that is just like chemicals and stuff like that. I'm probably going to end up getting a shelf or putting a shelf up in that area to store all the chemicals and stuff on. And you see my dip tank. And then right here, we got the exposure unit right there. So that is the exposure unit right here. And over here, right now, that's where I'm keeping the inks at. And some of the chemicals are like down below there, but right now that's where the inks are. But I'm working on a different place, because what I'm trying to do is get rid of this shelf over here. And like, look y'all, last time when I had the press, I could not walk all the way around the press, but now I'm able to. So right here, I'm gonna let y'all come back here, and I actually sewed this together myself. I got the video. If the video is not out, I'll have it out and I'll put it up here so y'all can check it out, that video. But I can walk all the way around the press right here, all the way around it. And this shelf, I'm trying to get rid of this shelf and do a more space saving thing right there. So y'all stay tuned. I'll be showing y'all that soon. This is, like I was telling y'all earlier, this is my cutter right here. I'm not going to cover it. Y'all have seen it. Y'all can kind of see it through there. I just found that thing fit, so I was like, I'm going to put that on there. Keep it from getting dusty. This is like a little junk area right here. You know, it's my squeegees and stuff is in there. And then that's like the vinyl box, the vinyl, you know, leftover vinyl box, scrap vinyl, whatever you want to call it. Then I got the little trash can under there. And right now that's where I'm storing my, what do you call it, little mini vac up under there. Then over here, this is the vinyl wall right here. I gotta get this little area better organized over here and stuff, but right now this is what it's looking like. I have some printables over here and stuff like that. And this right here is the box that the electrician put in right here. As you see, he had to run a new line so that he could put stuff, you know, put what I needed right in this box. You know, I'm not an electrician, so I'm not gonna try to explain it, but you know, it needed this box of its own, so that was what he did. And this is just a jacket right here that I use when I'm printing when it's cold, but it's usually not cold long, because you know, when you turn this equipment on, it heats up. And as y'all know, let me move this out of the way. Down here I got my printers. That's my Canon right there. And then I have my sublimation printer over here. Every time the lights go out, you got to reset that. But that's it over there. All right, so I'm gonna cover all that back up. And then right here I have, this is my conveyor dryer right here. The big bad boy right there. The big bad boy conveyor dryer right here. So so that's pretty much everything. So y'all have seen my whole setup. Oh, I guess I didn't talk about what was up top right here. So right there I got my butcher paper. I got my printables like mugs and some different things up there, some plaques. Then I got like my tapes right here and like empty vinyl rolls just in case I need that. That's like my palette tapes and stuff like that. But that's what that is. And some of this like this, I'm probably going to end up getting rid of that. Cleaning some of this stuff out, making it better, and just getting more organized. But that is pretty much everything. I'm not going to show you the dark room and the where I keep my screens and stuff like that. I'm not going to show y'all that right now today because that's still kind of in progress. I still got some stuff that I'm going to be doing with that. So y'all just stay tuned if y'all interested in seeing that. But I really love my new setup. I like how everything is, and the colors, you know, it's brighter in here with those colors and stuff like that. And I just feel energized and happy soon as I step in the door, just, you know, looking at all the colors and just seeing the new setup. And hopefully you guys like the new setup. If you got any questions about what anything is, where can you get any of this stuff, y'all leave them down below and I'll answer them. And I'll leave links in the description box below. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway next month. And if y'all want to be a part of that giveaway, you have to be a member in order to be included in the giveaway. So y'all make sure y'all, below this video, there's a join button. You can click on that join button. But if you're on an iOS device, you'll have to go in the description box and click on the link that says become a member or join. I can't remember which one it says, but y'all find it. Y'all know what it is down there. And follow that link, and that's how you join. And we'll be doing that giveaway coming up in November. So I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram if you like my content. And I don't know if it's some new people here. I know a lot of y'all not subscribed because I be checking my analytics. But if y'all like the content, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on my future videos. And I'll see y'all in another video. Prince Squad out.